Hi guys, it's my ears here, and I thought I'd give these glasses a try. Decided to treat myself to the Rayban Metas, Gen 2. And it's so weird because I'm used to having to hold the camera and all that, so I don't know what it's actually seeing, but this is the very first try with them. Standalone. But here we have the little Mardave. It's the one that I raced at Sherburn. Now the diesel here, it has quietened down, but it is still quite loud, so I'm curious to see how noisy that is in the video. It's so weird being able to hear music and all that. And having to update your glasses is a phrase I never thought I'd ever use. But yeah, so wasn't running on much foam yesterday. It's mainly a video to see how good the quality is. I've got it set on 3K 30 FPS, so there's a lot of detail on the foam with the stuff it's picked up. Yeah, this is the man cave work in progress. Oh, that's really moved forward. Yeah, this is the MD24 that we race. It's going to get a good strip down now that the mini season's over. I think we've got a couple more touring cars to go. And then doing the winter series at Newark on the 11th of January. Really did slip forward. I don't remember having that big of a crash. But hey ho. So, lots of work to be done. If it didn't tell you and you're just talking to yourself, even though you're already talking to yourself. Good old XQ2. I think it's the 2. Might be the 1. 2? Oh, it's the XQ1. This was my first Express, then I got the XQ2. I sold the XQ2, got the XQ3 S, and then I treated myself to the XQ11. Yeah, unfortunately the chassis is very twisted on this. There was a guy in Newark and he actually just physically twisted the chassis back, which to be able to see that sort of precision is quite unreal. Get that cleaned up and make it look nice. Good car this, to be fair. It's just like the X-Ray though, I didn't know how to maintain them, so they just kind of got driven how they were. Would be nice to potentially build it back up. Don't think the X-Ray is going to be a drift car. I think that was a spur of the moment, I want to do this. That's the XQ2.